Welcome everybody, thanks for coming. I'm Rav the Chef and this is Dépêche food channel. Let's do this! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make 100% vegan roasted cauliflower curry. For that you will need ground ginger, turmeric, coriander, cumin, sweet paprika, a pinch of chili flakes, cardamom seeds and lime leaves, sea salt, black pepper, coconut oil, fine green beans, large sweet potato, cauliflower, drained chickpea, coconut drink or water, thick coconut milk, white onions, and chili pepper. Let's start from boiling the water, then peel potato and dice it. It's very hard vegetable, so if you struggle or don't have long knife, you can slice it on mandolin first and then dice it for your own safety and comfort. When the water is boiling, drop everything inside and boil it for 6 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, grab a cauliflower and start to peel it. Cut it in half and with the top of your blade, separate smaller pieces from that thick stem. If you like, you can use the middle too, it's totally edible. Place your vegetable on the baking tray, drizzle some oil over and roast it for about 10 to 15 minutes in 180 degrees. Come back to your potato, now should be ready after a few minutes of boiling. Drain it and leave it on the side. Time to prepare the rest of our ingredients. Grab your beans and trim the root part only, the other side is absolutely fine to eat. Cut it in 3 and place it in the container. Now the onions. First, cut off the bottom of your vegetable as well as the top. Then half it, peel off the skin and slice it thin. Don't forget to take the cauliflower out of the oven. Next, grab your chili and cut it in half. Take the stem off and slice it. Crush your cardamom seeds so they can release the flavor later on. Finally, it's time to cook. Grab a large pot, place it over high heat. Take coconut oil and drop inside your pot. When hot and melted, add onions and fry them until soft. Now add fresh chili, all of your ground spices together with chili flakes, lime leaves and cardamom seeds. Mix it all and fry for a couple of minutes to let the flavors combine. Stir everything occasionally and don't worry about that sticky bottom of your pot. In our next step, liquid will wash it off. Take your coconut milk and pour it into the pot, then stir it. As you can see, there is no more burnt powder on the bottom of your pot. Now we will start adding the rest of ingredients prepared before. Drop your green beans, roasted cauliflower, diced potato and chickpea. Add coconut milk and season it with salt to your own taste. Stir it and cook it for approximately half an hour. Serve it with rice, naan bread or anything you like and enjoy these fantastic flavors. Bon appétit! If you guys like the video, press the thumb up. Please read the recipe inside the description. If you've got any questions, leave the comments down below. And the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, visit our Instagram profile and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time!